All right. Hi, everyone. Welcome to our third installment of our afternoon learning sessions. Our opportunity today is the Carousel of Wonder. My name is Lynn Alain, and I will be doing the introduction today. I am an EST STEM. Brian, unfortunately, couldn't be here, but the session will keep on going. So first off, I really wanted to thank you for being here with us today. It is a long day, and to be here after school, giving up your time, it's invigorating to see that you see that as valuable. It is a gorgeous day, so we promise we'll make this as valuable as possible for you. A few things before we start. The swivel is there. The reason that we videotape these sessions is if you can't make it, maybe you have prior commitment, you can still watch the PL and see what happens. They are all on the Anglophone East YouTube channel that you can subscribe to, and we have a playlist for STEM tools. So every tool that you see in our PLs is on the Anglophone East YouTube channel. Today's session is a little different, therefore there won't be a video of each session, but there is an intro video that will be going up of each tool as along with our one-pagers that you are used to getting. So the reason for our PL today is that we have a lot of good educational tools out there that we want you to be able to experience firsthand and see how those can enhance the learning of your students in your classroom. So as with all of our other PLs, we have the levels of inquiry. Every tool that we're using today fits within these levels of inquiry for your students. And last but not least, not last, actually, can you tell I've practiced this? So as with the other PLs that you've attended, I see a lot of fresh faces. That's why I'm seeing that. Not fresh faces, faces I've seen before. You will be getting the early bird registration for our next session. Our next session will be special as it is happening at Maplehurst Middle. And if you've not been there, it will be a great way for you to see the new building. It is absolutely beautiful. It is on March 18th, 2020. And it is put together by a nonprofit organization called Let's Talk Science. They will be coming in and doing that session with you. It's called Creative Collaborators Solving Problems Using Data. And you will see that it's a great session. So Brian should send that link within the next week or so. You have first dibs, and then we'll open it up to the rest of the teachers after that. Now, we are running a carousel today. Our carousel will not be managed for time, so you get to choose which sessions you want to go to. If you want to do them all, go ahead. If you just want to do one, you can do that as well. We have 6 sessions, so 3D printing, the microbit, escape rooms, mystery beads, dash and dot air blocks, and we also have an independent exploration session that is math inquiry tasks in the back. So my colleague Sean made some great posters, so you will see where each session is. We will not be managing your time, but I will give you a heads up when we're halfway through if you get caught up in a session and then decide that you want to move on. So I guess that's it. Let's just get started. That's all I have.
Do we want to tell them where all the sessions are?
Oh yeah, sure. So coding, which is the air block, and dash and dot is in that corner, plugged and unplugged. The inquiry tasks are back there by the snacks. Where Sean is standing is microbits. Escape room is in the room in the back. Mystery beads is with Lisa and, oh my God, I'm having a blank, Amanda, my gosh. And 3D printing here in this corner. So you can choose whatever station you would like to start at.